Hello, my name is Manish. I'm a cryo student and I am a coding teacher in Bright Jams. So I'm here to answer a JavaScript question, that is, what are the different ways we can manipulate a string? So first of all, let's understand what do we mean by string. So anything we can write inside the quotation mark. It should be a single one or a double quotes, that's fine. And most generally we use any words, characters and English letter alphabets. All that comes into the strings. So if you have any word, sentence, paragraph, so all that, like all the terms as a string. So as string is a very depth, because all the things we write generally in the characters and words also. That's why strings is the most interesting data type, that we have to perform so many things, so many methods into that string. So there are some methods we can manipulate our original strings, because strings is an immutable thing. We cannot change when we define a string. We cannot change it, we cannot update it, we cannot do any correct operations on that string. So that's why string is an immutable thing. But there are so many other things we can do, like to manipulate that string. So we have very different methods. So first is a dot substring method. If you want to trim a base some parts of that string, suppose there's a big string that hello I am Manish Kumar. In that string, if I want to trim only Manish, so I can use dot substring method, in which I need to pass two parameters, that where I want to start at the index value and where I want to end. So if I can put two positions, I can print that strings. And we can also find any character. If we have a long paragraph and if I want to search for a particular keyword, like that is m in this whole keyword, so I can use char add. I can also find that index value using the index of that. What is the index of, suppose I want to find Manish. Manish is in the string, and if it's present there, in what index it is it. So we can use the index of. We can also have a last index of, where suppose in a string Manish is used 5 to 6 times. So I want to find that what is the last index of Manish, what is the last usage of Manish in that string. And we have a slice method. We can slice a particular string. So in that way we have very different ways to have a string. So, and we have a split string. We can split the string, like suppose we want to add a space between all of them, so we can use that. We can uppercase all the string to uppercase method. We can lowercase. We can do the first alphabet. And there is something that is concat. If you want to add two strings, we can also add that. So there are very different ways. We have one more, that is replace method, that if you want to replace any keyword, suppose in the whole string, if we find that we want to change like add to whom, we can also do that using the replace method. We just have to find the parameters. So there are very number of ways we can manipulate the original string, but we cannot change the original string. We have to use it with a, we can assign it into a new variable, then we can manipulate the string. But the original string is always immutable. We cannot change it, we cannot alter it, anything. But we can update it using the in the video. Thank you.